welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hello. My name is Kara, and this video is going to be a morning skincare routine and a get ready with me video. So let's get started. First, I like to put my hair up and get the hair out of my face. And first we're going to be using is a 3-in-1 cleanser. I love this cleanser. And so I get my face wet first and then I rub this all over. I love getting my face clean. Then I'm going to be using a warm towel and pat dry my face. And then I'm going to be using the Day Solution. It has an SPF of 35 to protect my face and skin from the sun. And then I'm going to be using the Time Wise Age Fighting Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer. I use it day and night. I love how it makes my skin, face feel moisturized and hydrated throughout the day. And I just love it so much. And I'm just rubbing this all over my face, and I'll sometimes go down on my neck too. And then I'm going to be using the Firming Eye Cream. I just dab this underneath my eye because you need to be gentle underneath your eyes and on the brow bone as well. And then I'm going to be using the EOS Lip Balm Chapstick all over my lips. And then I'm going to be using the Mary Kay Foundation Primer. I love this primer. And I'm just going to rub this all over my face before I put my makeup on. And then I'm going to be using the Milani 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer. And I'm going to be using my beauty sponge to blend it all out all over my face. And then I'm going to be using my Perfecting Concealer. I love this concealer. I have purple, bluish underneath my eyes, like dark circles, and redness all around my nose and chin area. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And I'm just blending it out with my blending sponge. And then I'm going to be using my Mary Kay Translucent Loose Powder to set my concealer and foundation. And then I'm going to be using the eye palette from Naked, the Urban Decay, I believe. And I'm just going to put that on my eyelids. If y'all want more of a detailed makeup tutorial, please let me know in the comments. And there goes Carson shutting the bathroom door. He was in there with me, just chilling. To use eyeliner, so I use the dark eyeshadow underneath my eyes, and then putting the mascara on. Then I'm about to do my hair, so I take it down and brush it out, getting it ready, and I'm curling it with a wand, and I'm curling away from my face. And I don't do the ends, I leave them out and straight. And so I'm just going to run my fingers through it so it'll be like a loose curl instead of a tight curl, and kind of poof my hair up a little bit and hairspray it so it kind of has a little bit more volume. And that is it. And these are the clothes that I'm going to be wearing today, with some brown boots.
Okay, so you've seen and watched how I achieved this look, okay? So if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up and tap on the bell. And if you want to know when I upload videos, just click on that so you will know. So yes, it's easy, fun, and this is kind of my go-to style now. I've been loving this style, so I love it. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.